because I want to take you straight to NASA headquarters, where I think we are going to get some pictures from, well, certainly from NASA headquarters. Let's just listen and see what might be happening. That looks to me, I'm sure you'll agree, like members of staff there celebrating. We can see the smiles on their faces. NASA making history because it was attempting to launch a helicopter from the surface of Mars. Let's just listen in again. And a picture there that you can see on the screen, that was the helicopter, the first powered, controlled flight on another planet, so cause for celebration. The Mars copter, which is called Ingenuity, it was intended to rise about 3 meters, hover for roughly 30 seconds, swivel, and then land. That makes it sound simple. It was anything but. It was done using never tried before technology, as well as challenging flying conditions, and would have been difficult to pull off. But that is a picture from the helicopter. One of the systems engineers at NASA's Jet Propulsion Laboratory had said it feels absolutely nuts. We've been flying on Earth for just over 100 years, and now we're like, yeah, we're going to go to another planet and fly. It's crazy. But the engineer continued, that's the beauty of exploration, that's the beauty of engineering. Basically what happened was the helicopter took off about 8:30 in the morning UK time, but it's taken this time for the pictures to be fed back to NASA. And there it is. It's worth remembering that this is a real cause for celebration, a moment of history. Let's not forget these pictures of Mars that we are seeing and the scientists at NASA are watching are from Mars, 173 million miles from Earth.
Perseverance images showing us grounded at first. It's actually a video, which is great. It's grounded at first and then shows us hovering our 3 meters above the Martian surface and then touching back down. It's amazing, brilliant. Everyone is super excited.
So I would say it's a success. I would say.
I got to tear up the contingency speech, which I never practiced, but I was going to read. But lucky for you, I have a much shorter speech for success. So we can now say that human beings have flown a rotorcraft on another planet. So we've been talking so long about our Wright brothers moment on Mars. And here it is. And this project has had many friends who contributed to tonight's success. I see many in the room, the team in the room, the team on WebEx, team members who couldn't join us, and a few of our friends who are no longer with us. They're still in our minds today. And Perseverance rover, the best host little Ingenuity could ever prepare.
So the American Space Agency has successfully flown a small helicopter on Mars. The drone was airborne for less than a minute, but NASA is celebrating, as you have been watching with me, what represents the first powered, controlled flight by an aircraft on another world. So, history there being made as a helicopter lands on the surface of Mars.